Okay, so now we have, sorry, the video recording that I use only allows me to do short, only 5-minute increments. Okay, so now we have the name, el azúcar candy, la azúcar blanca. Le vamos a poner la miel, honey. If you can go as raw as you can, that's great. This is sticky. Like with the beehive. This one I'm not going to show the brand, okay, Chris?
Okay.
I'm not trying to freaking represent anybody, you know. Kim Kardashian makes money by wearing certain brands, and I'm not getting paid for this. So, and then you're just going to fill this with honey. You always have to taste it para que Ochun vea. Yeah, it's not bad. Because they try to poison her, and she doesn't trust honey from anybody. And then you're going to put, you know what, let me put more honey first. Let's see. Okay. And then the cinnamon. See. I want to put a little bit more. Okay, y ya está. Okay, so then when this is done, so that's what it'll look like inside. You got your name, you got your honey, you got your azúcar candy, you got your white sugar, not brown sugar, not in this one. And you have your honey. Did I say honey already?
Yeah, you didn't say cinnamon though.
And cinnamon, thank you. Good call. Okay, I think we should actually fill it up. Ponerle un poquito más. And what I do, oh, never mind, I'm not even gonna say that's part of my. Azúcar candy. Para endulzar, para traer. Put a little more sugar. Just to fill it up nice and full. Okay, that looks beautiful. Alrighty. Kind of underestimated the inside of the pumpkin, so. Okay, ahí está. Con la miel. Okay, so there you go. That's the inside of the pumpkin.
Oh, it looks cool.
Thanks, baby. Okay, and then you're gonna close this up. You're gonna close it up, and then what you're gonna do is, here we go again with the puzzle. Shoot. A ver, cojo.
Want me to pause it?
No, let them see me struggle. The struggle is real with the damn puzzle. Okay, I think I got it. Here we go. Ya está. Perfect fit.
Oh, you should put glue on the thing on the stand to glue it together.
That would look cool, but I don't want to alter it. But that was a good idea, puppy.
Oh.
For sure, but I just don't want to put stuff. I could do it with honey. I could try to stick it on with honey. Pero actually, I'm just going to do the bow because that'll be easier. You're going to tie this with a red bow para representar the love between Ochun and Chango. Okay? So, in this case, I have this ribbon. Okay? So then that's all you're going to do. This gets placed somewhere high up. It cannot go on the floor for 5 days with the yellow candle that's already been prepared. Yeah. And then for 5 days, at the end of 5 days, you can take this to a river, a riverbed, anywhere where there's flowing water where you can find Ochun. And you just make your request again. Leave her ¿cómo se llama? Shoot, I can't think of the name. What is it called? El derecho. And then you leave her that, and then you leave this there, and you